What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new team in the Teams app. Stay tuned. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around. I have a super easy how-to today for you. So all you're going to do is open up your Teams desktop app. You're going to go over to the left-hand navigation where you see Teams. And all the way down at the bottom, you're going to see Join or Create a Team. That's what you're going to click on. Once you click on it, it's going to give you two options. Either you can join a team with a code, or you can enter the code and join the specific team, or you can create a brand new team, which is what I'm going to show you today. You can do it from scratch, or you can do it from a group or team, or you can pick a template. I'm just going to go with from scratch just to make it really easy. All it's going to do is ask you if you want it to be private, so people will need permission to join, or public, where anyone in the organization can join. I'm going to make mine private, and I'm just going to call it test team. You can let people know what the team is about, and once you've done that, you can create it. Gives you a little thumbs up. And then I can start adding people to my group. After that, it'll show up right over here, and you can start using it. I hope you guys found this super helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey there! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for all the latest videos from Capital Presence.